In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood paper trading. Let's start by addressing an important reality check. Robinhood does not offer paper trading. That's right, Robinhood does not have a demo, simulator, or fake money trading mode. It may come as a surprise, but you cannot open a paper trading account with Robinhood. You also cannot trade stocks using virtual money. This means you can't practice inside the Robinhood app without real funds. This is confirmed by multiple broker reviews and industry sources, so you can trust this information. Now, you might be wondering, can you still experience trading in a Robinhood-style environment? Yes, you can. You have three realistic options to consider. Let's explore the first and best option, using a real brokerage that offers paper trading. Some platforms provide a real simulation environment, which is invaluable for learning. Webull offers full paper trading with fake money, allowing you to practice without any financial risk. E-Trade, specifically through Power E-Trade, also has a paper trading mode that you can explore. Another excellent choice is Charles Schwab's Thinkorswim, known for its advanced simulator. These platforms are what most beginners use to safely test strategies and get comfortable with trading. With that covered, let's move on to option 2. If you're set on experiencing the Robinhood platform itself, you can practice with real money by using very small amounts. This means you can utilize fractional shares and start with trades ranging from $1 to $10. This approach lets you test strategies in real market conditions, but remember, it is not paper trading. You're still risking actual money, so it's crucial to be aware of this fact. Now, let's discuss the key takeaway from today's session. Robinhood is for real trading only. There is no built-in demo or simulator mode. If you are interested in true practice accounts, it is best to use other brokers that offer these features. This is important because it provides a risk-free environment to learn and make mistakes without financial consequences. To wrap up, understanding these options and limitations is crucial for making informed decisions about your trading journey. Whether you choose to explore other platforms for paper trading or decide to dive into small-scale trading on Robinhood, knowing your options helps you plan better. Always remember to start small and learn gradually. This ensures that you build confidence and skill over time without unnecessary risk. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to navigate Robinhood's lack of paper trading. I hope this guide has been helpful in clarifying your options and setting you on the right path. Keep practicing, stay informed, and happy trading.